Here on our restless planet, two of nature's most formidable forces are locked in an eternal spectacular conflict. One, born from the fiery heart of the Earth itself, a relentless river of molten rock impossibly hot, a force of pure creation. The other, the cool, life-giving essence of our world, a vast and powerful expanse that shapes continents and cradles life. When these two titans, lava and water, meet, the result is nothing short of cataclysmic. It is a raw, elemental battle. A display of power so profound it can seem almost alive, a clash that both destroys and creates in a single breathtaking moment. Today, we embark on a journey to witness these extraordinary encounters. We have scoured the globe, gathering footage of the most dramatic, the most violent, the most beautiful collisions between fire and water ever captured by a camera. From the shores of newly forming islands to the depths of the ocean abyss, we will count down the 10 most epic showdowns our planet has to offer. Each one reveals a unique aspect of this powerful relationship, a story written in steamstone explosive force. Prepare yourselves for a cinematic exploration into the very mechanics of our world's creation. This is not just a spectacle of destruction, it is a lesson in geology physics, the sheer untamable power of nature. So join me, Ryan, as we count down from 10 to 1, venturing to the very edge of danger to witness the awe-inspiring moments when lava declares war on water. The climax, our #1 moment, is a sight so rare and so powerful, it will redefine your understanding of our living planet. Our countdown begins on the volatile coastline of Hawaii, where the Kilauea volcano tirelessly pours its molten heart into the vast Pacific. Here we witness a primal act of creation. A river of lava at over 1,000 degrees Celsius meets the cool, relentless assault of the ocean waves. The collision is instantaneous and violent. As the superheated rock touches the water, the liquid flashes into steam, expanding to over 1,500 times its original volume in a fraction of a second. We journey now to a remote volcanic landscape. A glowing viscous river of fire channeled by the terrain is on a collision course with a waterfall. As the molten rock reaches the precipice and begins to pour over, it encounters the falling water mid-air. The result is an immediate and ferocious reaction, a chaotic symphony of hissing steam explosive bursts that echo through the canyon. Beneath the surface of many volcanic fields lie hidden arteries of fire lava tubes. Here, we witness the catastrophic collapse of a lava tube roof directly beneath a tranquil mountain lake. The ground gives way, cool dark water pours straight into the hole. The reaction is immediate and immense. The result, a geyser-like eruption, not lava but superheated steam. Water, shattered rock. The placid lake becomes a boiling, churning vortex, a stark reminder of volatile power beneath the stable ground. It's an explosive unveiling of a hidden world. #7, the volcanic tempest. A volcanic eruption is, honestly, one of nature's most awe-inspiring displays. But what happens when this fiery spectacle coincides with a powerful rainstorm? As the volcano ejects a towering column of ash gas, the heavens open. Each raindrop, on its descent, encounters superheated particles of volcanic ash tephra. Instead of reaching the ground, the water vaporizes mid-air, phreatic flashing. This actually contributes to the already enormous eruption cloud, making it appear even more dense and turbulent. #6, the collapsing delta. We return to the coast, where for weeks or even months, lava has been flowing into the sea, building new land. This new coastline, known as a lava delta, appears solid, but it is a facade. Without warning, this foundation can fail. Here we see the catastrophic moment of a lava delta collapse. A vast section of the newly formed land, acres in size, suddenly shears away and slides into the ocean. The consequences are immediate and honestly, terrifyingly explosive. #5, the pillow makers of the deep. Now we venture far from the air and sunlight into the crushing pressure and darkness of the deep ocean. Here, at mid-ocean ridges, the very crust of our planet is being formed. Molten lava erupts directly onto the seabed. The intense pressure and extreme cold of the deep water prevent the explosive boiling we see at the surface. Instead, a fascinating and beautiful process occurs. As the lava emerges, its outer surface is instantly quenched, forming a solid, glassy skin. The pressure from the still molten lava within inflates this skin like a balloon. This process repeats again and again, creating interconnected rounded shapes that litter the seafloor. These remarkable structures are known as pillow lavas. In one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where glaciers meet active volcanoes, we find a confrontation of monumental proportions. Imagine a river of molten rock, a force of immense heat, encountering the ancient frozen mass of an iceberg or glacier. As the lava, at over 1,000 degrees Celsius, makes contact with the ice, the result is spectacularly violent. The ice doesn't just melt, it sublimates then flashes to steam in an explosive burst. The sheer volume of meltwater can be immense, leading to catastrophic outburst floods, Yokullaups. Number 3. The fiery fountains. We arrive at a scene of pure volcanic theater, not a gentle flow but a lava fountain, a powerful jet of molten rock propelled high into the air by gas pressure from within the volcanic vent. Here, this fountain is located right at the shoreline, creating a continuous, dramatic bombardment. Each incandescent glob of lava on its parabolic arc lands with a sizzle and a bang in the restless surf. The shoreline becomes a chaotic zone of constant explosions, a crackling, hissing cauldron where thousands of individual lava-water interactions are occurring every second. Number 2. Bombs in the surf. During many volcanic eruptions, particularly those near the sea, the explosions can tear molten rock apart, hurling it through the air. These airborne projectiles of lava are known as lava bombs. They can range in size from small pebbles to massive boulders. Our number 2 moment focuses on the perilous and explosive fate of these bombs as they land not on solid ground, but directly in the water. As a lava bomb, its core still molten, plunges into the cool surf. The thermal shock is immense and instantaneous. The result is a powerful phreatic explosion. The bomb detonates like a depth charge, ripping itself apart in a violent burst that sends water flying and rock fragments flying. Number 1. The Surtsaean Genesis. We have arrived at our number 1 moment. It is not just an encounter, but the very birth of an island from the depths of the sea. This is a Surtsaean eruption, named after the island of Surtsey, which was formed this way off the coast of Iceland in the 1960s. It begins with an eruption on the shallow seabed. As the magma rises and meets the seawater just below the surface, the pressure is low enough for massive, continuous explosions to occur. This is the most violent and sustained interaction between lava and water possible. Instead of lava flows, the eruption produces a colossal jet-black column, ash steam shattered rock known as a pyroclastic cone. These are the rooster tail explosions, a continuous series of thunderous base surges, steam and ash that race outwards across the water's surface. With each blast, more material is added to a growing mound on the seabed. Eventually this mound breaks the surface, and for the first time, new land emerges from the sea. This is the ultimate showdown, a volcano building itself from its own explosive conflict with the ocean, a process of creation forged in the most violent crucible imaginable, and the most epic lava versus water moment ever witnessed by humanity. The unending conflict. From the silent creation of pillow lavas in the abyss to the thunderous birth of Surtsey from the waves, we have witnessed the raw power unleashed when fire and water collide. Each encounter a unique lesson in planetary physics. We've seen how these forces can create land-carved landscapes and put on the most spectacular shows on Earth. Which of these epic showdowns captured your imagination the most? Was it the silent beauty of the pillow lavas, or the raw violence of the delta collapse? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this journey as awe-inspiring as I did, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of nature's most dramatic duel. The Earth holds countless more stories of power and transformation, and we will be venturing out to capture them. Stay curious, and join us again soon as we continue to explore the most incredible phenomena our planet has to offer. There is always more to discover, always another wonder waiting just over the horizon or deep beneath the waves.